Are you ready now? You're being kind of messy today. Moose. Moose. You're being kind of messy. Are you ready for me to come check your yips? I wonder if Moose brought in a baby wood chip. Moose. I wonder if Moose brought in a rock. I wonder if Moose brought in a little baby stick for Mom. Moose, can you pick it up, please, so I can check your brown yips? Thank you. Did you get all nice for me? You look very handsome, even though you're being naughty today. Wow. Oh, I just love it. Thank you. Oh, it's so handsome, and you're a little seal now. Okay. Okay. Thank you, brown seal. Thank you.